100 facts about cathode rays and cathode ray tubes. Cathode rays. 1. Cathode rays are streams of electrons emitted from the negative electrode, cathode, in a vacuum tube. 2. They were first observed in 1859 by Julius Plucker and Johann Wilhelm Hittorf. 3. Cathode rays travel in straight lines. 4. They can be deflected by electric and magnetic fields. 5. They can cause certain materials to glow. 6. They can produce X-rays when they strike a metal target. 7. Cathode rays can be used to create images on a screen. 8. The properties of cathode rays do not depend on the material of the cathode or the gas inside the tube. 9. Cathode rays are a fundamental component of many electronic devices. 10. The discovery of cathode rays led to the development of the electron theory of matter. Cathode ray tubes, CRTs. 11. A CRT is a type of vacuum tube that uses cathode rays to create images. 12. CRTs were commonly used in television sets, computer monitors, and oscilloscopes. 13. The basic components of a CRT are an electron gun, a focusing system, a deflection system, and a phosphor screen. 14. The electron gun emits a beam of electrons. 15. The focusing system concentrates the electron beam. 16. The deflection system moves the electron beam across the screen. 17. The phosphor screen glows when struck by the electron beam. 18. The color of the light emitted by the phosphor screen depends on the type of phosphor used. 19. CRTs can produce high-quality images with good contrast and brightness. 20. CRTs are relatively heavy and bulky. Historical facts. 21. The first CRT was invented by Carl Ferdinand Braun in 1897. 22. Early CRTs were used primarily for scientific research. 23. In the 1920s, CRTs began to be used in television technology. 24. The first commercial television sets using CRTs were introduced in the 1930s. 25. CRTs were the dominant technology for television and computer displays for many decades. 26. In the late 20th century, CRTs began to be replaced by flat-screen technologies such as LCD and plasma. Properties of cathode rays. 27. Cathode rays are negatively charged. 28. Cathode rays have mass. 29. Cathode rays travel at high speeds. 30. Cathode rays can ionize gases. 31. Cathode rays can produce heat. 32. Cathode rays can produce chemical reactions. 33. Cathode rays can produce X-rays. 34. Cathode rays can be used to measure the strength of magnetic fields. 35. Cathode rays can be used to study the properties of matter. Cathode ray tube components. 36. The electron gun in a CRT consists of a heated filament, a control grid, and a focusing anode. 37. The heated filament emits electrons. 38. The control grid controls the intensity of the electron beam. 39. The focusing anode focuses the electron beam. 40. The deflection system in a CRT consists of horizontal and vertical deflection plates. 41. The horizontal and vertical deflection plates are used to move the electron beam across the screen. 42. The phosphor screen in a CRT is coated with a layer of phosphor material. 43. The phosphor material glows when struck by the electron beam. 44. The color of the light emitted by the phosphor material depends on the type of phosphor used. 45. CRTs can use different types of phosphors to produce different colors. Applications of cathode rays and CRTs. 46. Cathode rays are used in electron microscopes to magnify objects. 47. Cathode rays are used in X-ray tubes to produce X-rays. 48. Cathode rays are used in radiation therapy to treat cancer. 49. Cathode rays are used in vacuum tubes to amplify electrical signals. 50. CRTs were used in television sets to display images. 51. CRTs were used in computer monitors to display text and graphics. 52. CRTs were used in oscilloscopes to measure electrical signals. 53. CRTs were used in radar systems to detect objects. 54. CRTs were used in video games to display images. 55. CRTs were used in medical imaging devices such as CT scanners and MRI machines. Scientific discoveries related to cathode rays. 56. The discovery of cathode rays led to the discovery of the electron. 57. The discovery of cathode rays led to the development of the quantum theory. 58. The discovery of cathode rays led to the development of the atomic theory. 59. The discovery of cathode rays led to the development of the theory of relativity. 60. The discovery of cathode rays led to the development of the field of electronics. Environmental impact of CRTs. 61. CRTs contain hazardous materials such as lead and mercury. 62. Improper disposal of CRTs can lead to environmental pollution.